My name is STAN JONI. I'm a Zimbabwean filmmaker based in Harare, Zimbabwe. First thing that I started doing a music video for Zimdancehall artists was when I was invited by a colleague of mine called Spencer Gore to go and shoot a music video by Winged Baba Amsaroa Big Man. I heard a song by Say Colors. Ndaitoro mukombi chienda kumba, then a song was playing mukombi. The song, what was the name? It's called Bambari. I like that song so much. I was like, I need to look for this guy. And then Nakiro Ngoma here. I ended up at Matabi studio or rather Mumbama Fantan. My mom said man is studio. So takatogara Mumbama Fantan muneka mbeda discussing as to why I wanted to do this music video. So many questions were being asked during that time.
Mabava chipadze Boss Prince Mano Jibango Chatwell Cobra Tony Bessic Plus Juana Masende Kapana Asma Funnies man.
They didn't want to do the video Mabandit because they had their own plans. They wanted to do this song called Andinyengerere. I don't know. Maybe it was a hit that time more area Mao.
Kuto if them don't pull up envy them full up. Well, you know, Sambara Mesekala said.
I was like, this song, it resonated with me from considering my background. I was like, my father was a prison officer. During that time, was a prison officer. I was also a prison officer. So I was like, my bandit, it's something that's that's new, that's exciting. I gave them an offer. I was like, if I do this song at the Ingere, I'll do the song that I want to do, considering the fact that I was offering to do the music video for free anyway. So they agreed. I did 2 music videos on that same day. I did an Ingere and I did my bandit. So during the time I was doing, I decided to do these music videos. I had gone on other people's sets. I'd seen them do their thing. Then I kept telling myself, what if I can do this thing my way, creatively, or maybe in a better way, because people were doing it their way. So I figured, one, I didn't have a camera at the time, because cameras were a bit pricey considering our backgrounds in Nikwatunova. The only thing that I could afford at the time was a laptop, which I had and I used it for editing. So I approached this gentleman, Anonzi John Jago, to borrow a camera. I think during that time they bought cameras. If I'm not mistaken, they'd done a film called Lobola and they bought cameras. I asked them, ndine situation yandinayo, I need to do stuff for myself. Can you assist ne-equipment? Koma wakabvuma wakanditi, you can use this camera but kana pane magrafta anofana kuzodi da kushutwa unofana kuzomashuta mahara. So because ndashandisa gear rawo ndikati it's okay. We had that arrangement for several years to come. Actually, I'll do the same thing because I feel like there was a need to do semi-quality music videos ku Zimdancehall during that time because they didn't have resources. I saw a need and I provided that coverage. At least uplifting a genre isina ma-resources zvenguva iyoyo. It was something chatori taboo. It was kuzviitirei but one did for the love of helping a fellow brother kuti abve pa certain stage achienda pane imwe stage zvakandipusha kuti ndiite that. So we did those productions kwete kuti I was being paid by these productions. I was doing them. I think I would just say 90% of my productions and music video wise, I've done them for free, using my own money, my own resources. only to assist a certain individual, but you know, with people grow out of it. Kuti undibatsira, undibatsirire. And that's how things are maybe in the world. Kuti munhu anenge afunga kuti apa level rimwe rere. But anyway, all the best kune vese vandakabatsira, and I'm sure most of them they are doing very well. And zvotonakidza kutongoona kuti at least ndakaisa a hand pana someone through the use of film as a medium, kuti munhu adi aone go out there. So over the years, I've been using the name Skyrocket. So production that I've done under that name started off with a major project was Mabandit. People liked that one. I did videos for Platinum Prince, several. Pano zvinotora time, Mona Wan Garera. I did Raskeleb, Mwana Wenyu Uyu, Toropito, I'm forgetting others. Then I did several medleys. I did Mad Levels.
Yeah, man, say big up to Stanny, you know. The man behind
Skyrocket.
Yeah, man. The man behind the camera, you see me? Yeah.
You want to go to
Hold on, give me the camera, blood. Yes, big up Stanny. Yo, actually, chuna masina Skyrocket. Uga editaka kuneta.
I did Poorness Part 2. I did High Praises. I did a lot. I can't remember all of them, but there are so many artists that I've shot along the way, and so many videos that I've done, and most of them I can't remember them.